Welcome to Keto Master. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on keto tips, news, videos and ideas. Does intermittent fasting work with keto? Before we answer the question, it is best to understand first what intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet are when it comes to losing weight and trimming down body fats. First, intermittent fasting is a type of fasting that schedules you to a fixed meal time per day. Second, the ketogenic diet is a type of diet that induces your body to burn body fats instead of glucose to produce energy for the body to function. There are many people in the world who have tried doing either of the two or both in terms of losing weight and trimming down just in time for the summer season. In fact, the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting had been one of the most followed methods when trying to trim down to a specific mass or body figure. There are a lot of individuals out there who are doing both of them. Some have experienced results while some have not. The big question is that does intermittent fasting make a ketogenic diet more effective? Should you try to do both, or should you do ketogenic diet first and follow it by intermittent fasting, or vice versa? Can the two weight loss regimen work on you? Intermittent fasting and losing weight. There are many intermittent fasting techniques. The most well-known techniques are the 5-2 method, the 16/8 method, alternate day fasting, and the warrior diet, which involves eating little or none during the day and feast on food at night before sleeping. Intermittent fasting isn't all about reducing your calorie intake by eating less. You can still eat your regular meal every day, but you will set an interval for a specific time of not eating anything, including snacks. This type of fasting triggers the body to adapt to an eating cycle, much like a sleep cycle. Furthermore, intermittent fasting lowers down your calorie intake and promotes the body to find an alternative energy source once sugar, glucose, in the body has been depleted. Many have tried intermittent fasting, especially with the 16/8 method that involves an 8-hour frame of regular eating, preferably twice within the said time frame, and skips any kind of eating activity within the 16-hour time frame. However, such type of fasting is not suitable for pregnant and lactating women and people who have eating disorders. The rest who have issues with sugar levels and heart problems may want to consult with their own doctors first before trying any kind of weight loss method. Ketogenic diet and losing weight. On the other hand, the ketogenic diet, popularly known as keto, is a diet technique that focuses on high-fat intake and lowering down carbohydrate intake. This, in turn, forces the body to rely on fats to generate energy for the body and its functions. This process is called ketosis, and the enzyme formed in this process that is responsible for fat burning is the ketone. Most of those who practice the keto diet are those who simply do not want to cut meals nor stop taking in fatty foods. However, this is a really good practice for those who want to get rid of the visible fats in the body. Other health benefits for the ketogenic diet include reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases and type 2 diabetes. Ketogenic diets are also known to help you suppress your appetite and remove food cravings that usually hinder you from losing weight. Does intermittent fasting with keto make you lose weight faster? Although having both weight loss practices may require your full discipline and attention, many have seen greater results when applying both techniques together. It is also notable that many of those who have tried intermittent fasting on their ketogenic diet lost more weight than those who only stick to one diet plan. A study presented by Healthline.com includes 34 men who have followed a 16/8 intermittent fasting time window through following a ketogenic diet. In this study, these men have been resistance trained and have effectively lost 14% of their body fat through the 8-week duration of the study. The study had concluded that having both can effectively and efficiently make you lose weight faster. Is it good to have intermittent fasting and keto together? Although many studies have proven the effectiveness of having both weight loss techniques together, it is still advisable to visit a doctor or dietitian to get you more information on the practice of these techniques. Though we all have different body types, the practice of losing weight is almost the same for everyone. It is up to you to try and become consistent with the practice. Then, with your hard work and perseverance, you will surely see results in your body.